Welcome to Study Loop.
This problem asks us what is the minimum angular speed of the wheel in Fizeau apparatus for which the image is not seen, given the distance between the mirrors and the number of the teeth of the wheel. First, let us convert the distance in kilometers to meter for easier calculation. We just have to multiply 1,000 to 12 kilometers since 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. So 12 times 1,000 is equals to 1.2 times 10 raised to 4 meters. We know that using this Fizeau apparatus, we can determine the speed of light using this formula. Isolating the angular speed or omega to the left side of the equation, since this is the value what we're looking for, then omega is equals to pi c over 2dn, which is the unit of this is rad per second. Inserting the given values, we have, note that the speed of light is equals to 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Then, let's just use this value. To convert rad second into degree second, we have to convert pi to degrees. So we will multiply 180 degrees over pi. Solving this equation, then the angular speed is equal to 1.25 times 10 raised to 4 degrees per second.